Recorded is rolling. It is Tuesday, September 6th. This is coming back from Labor Day weekend, 3-day weekend. All right, so you guys just turned in your linear motion quiz. Thank you for doing that. I will get those graded soon. So we're gonna go into projectile motion. Now, projectile motion by AP's book is still part of Unit 1, that's kinematic motion. So it's the exact same variables, the same units, the same formulas. You guys remember these three amigos right here? So the same stuff going on, except we're going to take this into 2 dimensions, right? Now, you guys have some new pages on your desk. One page looks like this. It's got these gridded boxes, and all these questions involve projectiles. And we're going through the question. I got some cannons fired horizontally from the edge of a cliff. I got some cannons down on ground level firing up at an angle, like that. So there's some questions there. On the other side are these conceptual questions. Now, this whole page right here, just like with linear motion, there was a very similar looking page. This is just extra practice. We might take a couple problems to solve, but the ones that you want to focus on for the most part are these college physics problems. Right? So these are a little bit more complex, a little bit harder. So there's some 2-dimensional motion questions here. There are some projectile questions here. It's a little bit of mix and match. So the college book doesn't line exactly with what AP does, but that's pretty close to it. Like, for example, if you look at number 8 here, there are some forces. You guys know forces are measured in newtons. So we're not quite there yet, but the fact that you can break these into components, right, like sine and cosine components, and turns into a 2D problem. Same thing with like this mule here being pulled. But hey, look, I see a nice looking projectile right here. So yeah, got projectiles and 2D. Oh, lots of projectiles in the back. Okay. So I'm assigning these for you guys, these 7 right here. Okay, and then some of those I'll try to cover in class notes, and then of course I'll cover some additional ones too. Okay. Of course, if you ever want to do extra problems, there's lots of extra problems on that page too. So you guys got this. Now, I did want to have this due Friday, but we have a short week for 2 reasons. One is we didn't get yesterday. Another reason is that I have to be out tomorrow also. You guys can have substitute. I always hate missing school for a bunch of reasons. I always want to just be in the classroom with you guys, but stuff going on. So I'm going to do give you guys as much of a head start as I can today with projectiles, and then tomorrow you guys can work with each other and either tackle these 7 problems, or you got all these extra resources right here. Just work in teams and help each other out. Okay. All right. Questions so far? Okay. And then I did over last weekend write the projectile quiz, so I will get that to you guys in time. But yeah, that's what we got so far. All right. So AP Classroom progress check. Let me switch my screen over and let's look at those.